Hey, Reynolds Middle School, Mr. Holbrook here, coming to you with our first workout. This is going to be demonstration of the exercises. Please refer to Schoology for the Word document that highlights all the different exercises that we're going to be doing right here in order of how you're supposed to do them. And then after you're done with the workout, please take the assessment on Schoology, okay? And there'll be some questions there about the video and on the Word document that highlights all of the exercises. So first thing we want to do is, if you have a jump rope, grab a jump rope because we're going to work out, okay? And we're going to need to warm up first. If you don't have a jump rope, we're going to do skier jumps, which are side-to-side jumps, which I'll show you here in a second, to help you warm up, okay? Now, when you're watching the video, you can stop and pause the video and then do the exercise and then start it up again, which is what I would recommend because I'm not going to do the entire workout here because this is for demonstration purposes. And I don't want this video to be about 30 minutes long, okay? So it's going to be much shorter than that, just so you can use it as reference, okay? So I'm going to pretend I don't have a jump rope, okay? I do, but I'm going to show you skier jumps, and that's jumping sideways with pretending something's on the ground in front of you, okay? We want to do this for 30 seconds to a minute or so, okay? So sideways like this, just warming up our legs, okay? After we're done with that, we're going to go into air squats. We want to have shoulder width stance, feet pointing out. Hopefully you can do that, okay? We want our knees to go out over our feet, keeping them flat on the ground. Do not come up on your toes. So the squat will look like this. Okay, you can see from the side, going all the way down, coming up. We're going to do that 20 times, rest for 30 seconds, do it 20 more times, rest for 30 seconds, and do it 20 more times for 3 sets, okay? After that, we're going to do an exercise that's named after a European country called Bulgaria. They're called Bulgarian squats. They're done one leg at a time, okay? So you find yourself a chair, step, something like that you can put your foot on. Rest the back foot that's up on the chair. All the weight should be on your front foot, and we're going to go down and up. For 10 to 15 of these with each leg. Okay, then we're going to switch legs and do the other leg. We're going to do that 3 times. 3 times with each leg. Resting about 30 seconds in between each set, okay? After that, we're going to move to upper body, which is our push-ups, okay? So just like the squats and Bulgarian squats, which work a lot of the different muscles in our legs, front, back, our rear end, okay? They work everything. Push-ups does the same thing, works a lot of our upper body muscles, chest, shoulders, triceps, okay? So with push-ups, we can do them with our knees on the ground, which are what I call boy push-ups, or we can do them with our legs up, which I call girl push-ups, because girls are a lot tougher. Okay? So, you do as many as you can, keeping your back straight. Down, up, down, up. Do them till you can't do any more. Then drop your knees down. Make it a little easier. And keep going. We're going to perform 3 sets of these to failure. What that means is you do the push-ups until you can't do any more push-ups. So your body completely quits. Rest 30 seconds and do it again. Okay, that's for upper body. Next one we're going to do is called shoulder push-ups. So it works our deltoid. Okay, similar to push-ups, it's going to work all the muscles in our shoulders and our triceps. So it's working multiple muscle groups. That's called a compound exercise when it uses multiple muscle groups at the same time. We're going to do, it's like a push-up, but we're going to put our head between our hands. Angle our bottom up, come down, up, down between my hands and pushing up. Like I'm pushing something over my head. Works our deltoid. 3 sets of 10 to 15 of those also. Again, those are shoulder push-ups. After the shoulder push-ups, we're going to get on the ground and work on our abs. We're going to do 3 different ab exercises. First one we're going to start with is a lower ab crunch. Going to lay on the ground, put our feet up like this, pull our shoulders off the ground with our elbows behind our head like this, and we're going to take our legs, straighten them out, take our legs, tap our elbows, keeping our shoulders off the ground. Okay, try to do 10 to 15 of these 3 times. Then we go to side crunches. I'm going to put my arm on the ground as a brace, put my hand behind my head like this, and I'm turning sideways. I am not lifting with my arm though. This hand right here is not lifting. I'm lifting with my sides, my obliques, okay? Side abs, serratus anterior, and I'm crunching to the side, okay? Again, I'm going to do 3 sets of 10 to 15 for each side, okay? So it's actually doing this exercise 6 times, 3 on each side, okay? I can feel it right through here, all the way through my side. Make it hurt a little bit. It's good for your abs, okay? The next one is feet on the ground. These are called ankle tappers. It's going to work more our middle and upper abs, okay? Flatten that back out. Make sure you don't have an arch in your back. Hands on the ground like this, and we're going to try to touch our ankles. Probably won't be able to, okay? You don't need to come all the way up. Just need to lift your shoulders off the ground like this. Try to touch those ankles. Like that. And you're going to do 3 sets of these to failure until you can't do anymore. Then you're going to rest 30 seconds in between each exercise on your abs, okay? Now, do this to the best of your abilities. If you make it hard, you're going to get more gains that way, and you're going to see some differences in your body, okay? So try your best, always try your best, and follow along. Stop the video if you need to, okay? And refer to the Word document that is on Schoology for the order of these exercises, then take your assessment afterwards. Until next time, Reynolds, good to see you. Have a good workout.